Okay, so we were busy with this one, and I said I'm trying to show that the roots really are real, rational, and unequal. Oh, made a typing error. Over 4. So we get x is equal to 7 over 2, or x is equal to negative 1. Now both of those numbers are rational. Remember, this one is the same as 3,5. So it's not 3,5, 2, 7, 6, 1, 8, whatever. It's just 3,5. So it stops. And if it carried on, then it only had to have a pattern. EDNA is fine. Altovan is rational. Okay, so let's go through the checklist again. Al twee van die antwoorde bestaan, so hulle is reëel. My sakkerkanaal het vir my gesê math error nie. Both of them are rational, like I just proved, and they are not equal to one another. They're not the same number. So if I was to draw a parabola, then it would cut the x-axis 2 places. So once again, this is your answer. That's just proving your answer. Okay, now the last one that I'm going to do with you guys, and then I'm going to give you homework, is 3x squared plus 5x minus 3, equal to 0. So it's 5 squared minus 4 times 3 times minus 3, which gives me 61. Now 61 is not a complete square. So ons sê dan dit beteken die wortels is reëel, irrasionaal en ongelyk. Okay, en gou vir die laaste keer kom ons bewys dit. So I'm going to say okay, ons gaan tik geraai op ons sakrekenaar in. Dan kry jy x is gelyk aan, en myne is 0,9683. Carries on. I'm just going to round this off to 0,97. But it's important that you guys see on your calculator, it doesn't have a pattern. Same with this one. 5, 4, etc. Okay, so let's go through our checklist. They're real, both of them actually exist. They're irrational because they don't have a pattern at all, and they are not equal to one another. It's not the same answer for both. So they're unequal. Okay. So what I want you guys to do for homework, and then we are actually done with this chapter as well, is exercise 13. I want you to just do this part. So only tell me whether they what the nature of the roots are for number 2, 4, 6 and 8. So jy gaan skryf net die vergelyking neer, werk daai driehoekie uit en dan maak jy net 'n afleiding daarvan. Jy hoef niks anders te doen vir my daar nie. Dankie graad 11s.